New Sonos and IKEA Symfonisk speaker teased. Sonos Roam reviews may have dropped this morning, but the new portable speaker isn't the only thing the company is getting excited about, with the prospect of a new IKEA Symfonisk launch in the pipeline. The collaboration between Sonos and IKEA broke cover back in 2019, with two initial products tapping the multi-room audio tech of one company and the low pricing strategy of the other. Most affordable was the IKEA Symfonisk bookshelf speaker. At $99, it's half the price of a Sonos One, though with similar audio performance. It's also designed to be positioned either horizontally or vertically, and can even be wall-mounted as a shelf. The Symfonisk table lamp speaker, meanwhile, combined a cylindrical Sonos speaker with a light fixture, and was slightly more expensive, though still very affordable in Sonos terms. Both were well received, and IKEA followed up with a simple remote for those wanting to do the basics without opening the Sonos app. However, since then we've not heard much from the partnership, though both companies have insisted that they're still collaborating. Now, it seems, we're about to see something new. Sonos and IKEA have begun teasing a new Symfonisk edition in their Instagram stories, Pocket Lint spotted. It's not much to go on, looks like Symfonisk, the brief clip reads, before showing the two companies' logos, and a Sonos spokesperson was similarly coy. After confirming that there were indeed products we are working on together, they declined to give a specific date when we might see the results of those efforts. Still, there are some hints, not least from recent FCC filings. IKEA FHOE 1913 is a wireless device that was submitted earlier this year, and most of the details have been locked down under a confidentiality agreement. However, the FCC test report does share some tidbits. It's certainly a speaker, since the FCC says it tested the E1913, powered on and playing music as normal operating mode. There's both Wi-Fi and an Ethernet port, and the FCC used the Sonos app to control it. The external FCC label is shown as being fixed to the rear of a square device, though that's not always a concrete indicator of eventual form factor. No word on whether there are microphones. The current Symfonisk speakers don't support assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, as many Sonos speakers do. That's still